Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Explorer key fob battery. This simple guide will help you replace your dead battery quickly and efficiently. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. These items are readily available at most electronics or hardware stores. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small components from getting lost during the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually on one of the sides where the two halves meet. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time and apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything is working correctly with your new battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.